Giving love. Oh, that's the time. Time is up, folks. I got it. But hey, within the less than 7 minutes. Hey, I'm sorry. I just picked that up. Okay. Time limit that I set for myself. Oops. You see that time limit? Whoa. So let's get started here. Let's start working on the outside. You're wondering what that is? This is the color that I've used. Typical home decor, sold in any art store. How about this color? Oh, magenta, medium magenta. Okay. How about that? Medium magenta. Doing. Yep, maybe a little harsh shape perhaps. I don't know. Just being spontaneous. Okay. And here we are. Let's do this. Yeah, just gentle swipe here. Black. Here you go. And what we're gonna do is let's do what I'm trying to do here is just kind of give you a little end of the tip of this palette knife. That's what I'm doing. All I'm doing. Here you go. I don't know if you can see that or not. And coming back with this black paint. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Yeah, just kind of twirling it a little bit, if you will. Twirl action. Yeah. Oh, let me just do a little overall shape of the heart first. There you go. What's an art without a little bit of gold here? So that's what I'm gonna do right here. Little gold here. There you go. Again, see that? Little gold, little bit of gold. With balances it really well with black. Yeah, you agree or disagree? That's fine. No matter what, we are creating. And maybe a little dot here, a little bit. Yeah, dot. Little black. Giving love. Oh, that's the time. Time is up, folks. I got it. But hey, within the less than 7 minutes. Hey, I'm sorry. I just picked that up. Okay. And I hope to see you guys once again for another exciting, joyful day of creation. So have a wonderful day.